you know. And I might not be able to hit him very well because I kind of got a bad throw. So I'm going to use the seat to get closer to you so you can hear it. I don't even know which sheet I'm using. So I don't know why. Oh god. That's it. Okay. There we go. Right, so hopefully you can hear me well. We're playing some Terraria. This one named Terraria Episode 1. Because, you know, it's Episode 1 in I don't know if it will be on, you know, for a proper series, but I might do it every now and again. You know, just as a hobby. Oh, let's see that. This looks like blue. Got that. Very pale. My favourite colour is red, so. I look like I'm in a onesie. This might take a while, but you know, I'll wait. Hopefully you guys are patient because, well, this isn't my first time playing Terraria, as you probably know. Played it on this console, as you saw, quite a few times, but I'm not quite bad at the Xbox because I hardly ever play it. So yeah. So basically we're not going to be all messing about, we're just going to go straight for it. As far as we can in one episode. This episode will be about 10 minutes long. It's already been made 4 minutes. So yeah. I don't actually know how long it's been. Yes, it has been about 4 minutes. 4 minutes, about 4 minutes, 30 seconds now. So, yeah, I hope you can see this alright. It's alright, but it's not the best, is it? Then I'm messing about with my right now. Here we go, right, okay. All the controls, just learn it again because I only play it every once in a while. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, this is a bad update because I don't have Xbox Live, sadly. Hopefully when I get my next £15, I'm going to get 3 months Premium Gold for Xbox Live. My god. Good jump high, Sam, good jump high. Stupid cobblestone short sword. So bad. know what I mean? I'm not that good. I'm alright with the Xbox controls, it's just that I'm not really good at this game. On the Xbox. I'm good on the tablet. I've got Spectre armor and stuff within about... Well, it took me longer than it would have. I reckon it would have taken me about 6 months. It took me a year because, you know, I had to wait for the updates at that point. I joined just when hard mode had been sent out. So when I had the picture of the guy in Halo, basically, that's when I got it on the tablet. You probably have no idea what I'm talking about if you don't play the tablet. If you do, you'll know what I'm talking about. Unless you're new to the game, obviously. Then you won't know anything. You don't know what this thing would be, what this whole game is, to be honest. Almost got enough word. I always like to start off with loads of wood. It's good because I just got a mushroom. I was about to say it's good because I'm getting mushrooms, but I know I've only got one. Right, okay. So that'll be enough wood. Oh, I've got to chop down this really tall tree. No, bunny. Oh god. So yeah, I'm just going to make my house here because it seems pretty simple. Really don't think. Go pick a better spot. Okay. Oh god. Nope, it's even lower. Wait. Does it work like this in this version? Don't even know. There's like... See? Something dying! Build up. Okay, back to the house. Well, I can't be on for very long today because I need to get dressed. And yeah, I'm not dressed. I normally don't do my things in clothes, I just do it in my onesie or pajamas. Because I don't know. It's just easier. Can't be bothered. Yeah, I'll do. Instead of that, I'm doing we had one next to it, an extra thing. Yeah, as you can see, still quite new to the game. I've had it for about 4 months, but I'm still, I hardly ever play it. You gotta give me credit for as much as I know. I'm not really bothered about mining just yet. So, torches. Can't place on the walls, so there's no point in me saving them. It's not even 1.2 yet. Even the iPads and stuff are on 1.2. Wait. Get back. Oh, did you see that skill, man? Alright. Oh, got it wrong. 2 now. I need some walls. Sorry if I'm a newbie. Oh my god. I'm so newbie. I am so newbie, aren't I? I can't even place down walls. Never mind anything else. Placing down walls should be easy, right? Get this stuff away. Oh god, damn it. Really? You're kidding me. Are you kidding me? Nope, stay away. Sorry, I didn't want to kill you, but whatever. You know the deal, don't get in my way. Oh my god, not this again. Come on. Right. Right, finally. Says dude. Oh my god. Wow. I am such a new hunter, guys. No doubt about it. I am a noob. Oh, yep, I was right, I was right. I'm not going to bother with the analog stick just yet. Oh no, not the analog. Someone, I've forgotten the name. It might actually be analog stick, I'm not sure. Anyway, now I'll do this thing, that thing down there. This thing I'm putting it on now. Then put this here. Now I don't know, and I'm building supplies. Yeah, and that'll do. Anyway. Right, I was right. And stone. Well, luckily I have stone right below me. Okay, that. I know I don't need to get two, I just thought might as well. This there. Oh, that's what I need to put in. Torches. Right, so yeah, put that there. There we go. Can't I place it on it? Oh, you can't really? You can't even place it on a table? You're kidding me? I thought you could place it on one so can you? I don't even know. I don't even know. Can't even. Oh my! Wow! Great. That's fine. Well, we've got stone right here, so I'm thinking of mining that. I'll mine this water with a chair. As you can see, I am a noob. As I said, I am not qualified for this game. Keep things simple. Wow. So you can please wait, this might be my opportunity to come fix this a tiny bit. And then I'll just stand here. Maybe that's a better idea, Alex. Much better. Much better. Come on, dude. You better get in here, because you won't like out there. Trust me, you will not like it. Come on, come on, Luke. Come on, Luke, get in. Whatever, he can die. There we go. So, yeah. I am, oh my god, a noob. There we go. Hopefully you can decide to move in, because we have everything set up and all, and then we just sprint to get inside. What can I craft with this? Alright, mate, dude, you don't want to talk to me anymore? Fair enough. Don't really want to go out because, you know, I don't have any armor or anything, so I don't want to go out and kill myself straight away. Cool. There we go, that's nice. So I got moves. So I got 55 arrows, a wooden sword now, which is better than my other sword. A wooden sword, which is better than my proper short sword, much better. And I have a rapid wooden bow, which is alright. Get away from me. I normally do this and it normally ends up badly, but here goes. Die, zombie, die. Nope, not you, not you. Great. Wait, what's that? How dare you? So why'd you run? Why'd you explode? Nope. Yep. Nope. Sorry, Bunny. You're probably thinking, how stupid is he right now, but I don't care. I know I'm stupid. You gotta admit this is how I am. As long as I don't do that, then I should be fine. Get over. Right. Is that on the bottom? Oh my god. So one hit and then go. Probably should have got two. Could have got two in there, but yeah, I decided to go for one. Oh god, I need to do that. I forgot which button it was. Come on. Just die already. Yes, dead. So I got quite a few copper coins from that. God, stay out of my house. Back. Get back. Oh boy. That'll be it for today, guys. I'll see you because, well, I'm in the house. Killed some googlies. In fact. So, I'll see you guys later.